Hi everyone, today I'll be streaming my work on adding a no info section to IPTV episode guides when they are not specified, so archived playback can still work, and a few other cosmetic issues. Let's begin. Oh, I forgot the background music. 1 second. And here we go. Okay. So now we have background music playing, so the stream will be a little bit smoother. And let's get to work. So this issue happens when loading an IPTV episode guide. Here is my test subject, and as you can see, I disabled this line, which should create a hole in my display for EPG, and we can see it here. There's nothing between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. So for this feature to work, I have to add an empty entry for this when I detect there are holes. So let's look at my EPG loading code. I have a function for this. I think it's this one. Okay. So I will now have to figure out the last time position, and if it's incorrect, I have to insert a new no information entry. Okay, so let's see how I'm currently doing it. I am now looking for programs and not channels. So this is the channel and this is the programs. Okay, so I have a start and a stop, and these are being saved, I believe a string, right? Yeah. So now I always have to take the start and stop and compare them. Okay. So this requires some thoughts. There's a lot of programs. This can actually slow down a little bit my parsing code. Where do I edit? Okay. Where do I edit? Okay, I'm adding it here and here. Okay. Let's put a bookmark here so I can return to the code fast if needed. And so this is one thing. Now I need to see the code where I actually display the time. So I'm doing it correctly. A comparison. Okay, so here I should be doing the conversion. Is this the code? Okay. Okay, this is what I need, the function I need. So here, before adding, so I do if the count is 0, then I'll always add. Because I can't create a differential. Okay, it's greater than, I'll do the new code, otherwise the old code. Okay, so now I need to do the conversion of the start and stop. Okay. Library. Okay, so let's add these. I need the last stop, and I need the current start. Okay. So my DT stop, I need to initialize it. Okay. So I need DT start to be conversion of this. So see that it compiles. Okay. So now I have my start and my end needs to be from the current program. We need to get top this. so and I need to do that, but later. Okay. So now, yeah, I check if the start is larger than the stop, then create found a missing time block, add no info entry. Okay, so now I need to create a new entry, but let's call it empty. Okay, so this here, I am doing new, and let's see how I populate it. So we have why else? We have come on. Okay, we're talking about this, and we should be able to find it here. Okay, so now so this goes like this. So the ID needs to be the same. Title is something which we put temporary. Okay, so this. And let's see. Okay, so this should be the same channel ID. Title. Temporarily, let's put no info. For the description, this program is unlisted. For the start time. Okay, so the start time should actually be the last stop, and the stop time should be the start. And then we add our entry. And right. This should not be. Okay. I need to another thing here. Here we need to do this. Start, and our stop is actually start. Okay, and needs to be a string. And just nothing, but am I forgetting? Let's add a safety. Okay. And here I also need to do this. Okay. And compiles, but does it work? Okay, I think it broke quite a few things. Okay, so what did I created this empty, gave it a title, gave it a name, added it as a program. Oh, I didn't do all of these. It's basically the same code. Okay. I need to duplicate this code, which is not the cleanest thing in the world. I could maybe move it into a function. But it won't be so much different. Okay. So I read the start. Okay, so okay. Okay. So here I basically need to do this. Wait, did I? Wait, it shouldn't be with an else. It should be like this. Okay. 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 Think this might work. Okay. Here we go. I think it works. Right? Looks like it's working. Let's check the timing. Timing looks good. Okay, in theory, this should be working. Okay. let's update the changelog. Okay, I think I'll add it here. The IPTV electronic program guide. Let's do it the other way. IPTV APG. Now we'll now add PPG entries for PPG. No info entries for missing time blocks. Allowing archived playback for these times. For these time blocks. Okay. So this feature is now ready. It only took about 20 minutes. Okay, so now I will test this. This is a cosmetic issue which requires a few things. So prepare. I'll first take an MP3 file and drag it here. Okay. Now let's see. I need to change the playback to use libVLC, and I need to show resolution on the timeline. I'll set the volume to nothing so it doesn't interfere. Okay, let's just close the player so settings will be remembered in case this crashes, and play. Okay, so there's actually several issues here. How do I know that there is no video? Okay, so SEO resolution. That doesn't mean anything with VLC. Okay, so what I'll try to do is first see where in the code I draw the text, the resolution text. So I think it's for timeline. There's something about the text. Timeline text. That's the door. Timeline text. Doing something. Okay, so let's go to the draw timeline and figure out where I get the text. Graphics. Here we go. Timeline disk. No, it's not. It's get timeline string. Okay, let's move it. Oh. timeline. Next time it will be easier to find. Okay, so still compiling. And now let's try to find the resolution. I don't care about DVD. Where is my resolution? Oh, yes, here we go. Okay, let's try it. If checks the movie resolutions. Yeah. Okay. So let's test it out. Okay, this works. Let's try to do the fix when playing media of unknown video resolution. The timeline will no longer display 0x0. Okay. If you enabled resolution display on the timer, because it's not a default setting. Okay. But the second issue is that I'm not detecting that LAV, the engine does not have video mode, which is easier to detect when using the direct show engine, but not so much when using libVLC. So what I think I'll do is maybe check the audio extensions for this. It won't be as good. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do is check it. If where's my parsing audio extension? Does it extract extension? Yes. Okay. So here I'll check if audio extension for the file name is true, then no video is true. Okay, so will this fix the other problem? It doesn't look like it's fixing it. So this means that this doesn't work here, and I will do okay. So where is no video set? That here. Let's try it. Oh. This should be the correct fix. Let's test it. It doesn't seem to work. Because if I play the same file without libVLC, it shows audio mode. And here it's not. So this means something else is breaking it. Okay, so let's put a bookmark here and check where else no video is assigned. After all of these, here, from here. Okay, so this should never be called with VLC. Do I want to put a breakpoint? Okay, let's try it. Let's just run it within the debug environment, even though it sucks. Okay, let's see what's happening. Press play. It's a little bit slow because of the VLC engine and the debug environment. Really slow. Hopefully not frozen. Still waiting. And we are waiting and waiting and waiting. Come on. Don't freeze. Come on. It's still going. You can slowly see the time moving. But it's super duper slow. Something happened? No. Not enough. Okay, I'm gonna wait a few more seconds. If it doesn't work, I'll try to break code, break the debugging, and try to find it the slow way. Let's do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Half, quarter. Okay, it looks like it's stuck. So now I am trying to terminate the process, if it will allow me, because it's not very responsive. Okay, it allowed me finally. Oh. Oh. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, so let's just check wherever no video is set. Okay, so nothing here, nothing here. Nothing that interests me. Okay, here is the code after the creating. This shouldn't be affected. This shouldn't be affected. This shouldn't be affected. I will have to write some logs. Do something hackish. No video is set to this way. I should be getting a prompt. Okay. It says no video is true. Okay, so this should be working. Okay, so it loads anything from here. Okay, but why is it not showing it? Okay. So what is the issue then? Okay, let's try something else. Okay, so let's see. We are loading the media file. We are using the VLC engine, creating the interface. Okay. Says no video detected. No folder found. This shouldn't actually be used. Okay, so from this log, it's not enough. So what I'll do is play it again. Without VLC. And let's compare. Okay. So this is direct show code. No video detected. No folder. Setting the resolution. Where is it drawn? This doesn't help me. Okay. Okay, so Is it here? I think so. Maybe tags, something. Toggle tag display button. That will help me. Okay, so this is my check. Where is this code? I think this is the one. Okay. I think this is it. I believe this is it. Okay. So let's figure this out. Keep messing this up. Okay, so we need some debug message. Do it. Okay. 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 Let's add some more entries. Okay. But why wasn't this ever called? Okay, so okay, this should be here. Line here. Okay, so play and check the logs. Yeah, it should be here. Okay, let's see. Okay. shows it, it draws it, but looks like it's doing it twice. But it's still not showing. Right. It draws, it says draws text, but it's not visible. What else could be the issue? Okay. Doubt this would help, but let's try it out. It should draw it every second. Let's see. Letting it play. Yeah, it's drawing it. It's just not showing it. And I have no idea why, other than perhaps something to do with libVLC. I'm not sure if I can fix this bit here. Is there anything else I can think of? Let's save it to file. Okay, so when I play it, create a file, and the file is correct, so it is drawing it, but it's not showing it. So what can I do? Maybe try a different approach. Okay, so not here. Let's do not only this. But how do I hide it? Let's see. Let's just call hide. Work. This has an effect. Yep. Okay. So now we know the reason. Okay, let's update changelog. There is no changelog because this is a new entry for VLC. So, well, there is a changelog, but only for this beta version. Okay, so what we're writing is playing audio only media file using the libVLC engine did not show the audio mode display correctly. Audio mode had displayed correctly. No, not correctly at all. Not show that. Please note that the section that audio only media detection using the libVLC engine is based on the media files extension. For example, MP3 or AC. Let's say. Okay. AC. Let's do WAV. Okay. So I believe this feature is complete. And this is complete in theory. I need to have someone test it more. Okay, now this is a test stream that when playing with libVLC should show a duration. Okay, so now when I do open link and let's see. Okay, well, we have a resolution now, but as you can see here we have a duration, but it's showing a live stream. Okay. So what I need to test is how I am displaying the live stream. Okay. So now we are searching back to this one and search for live. Okay. Okay, I think what I need to do is check on the VLC here on length changed. Okay, so now let's try this. If time is larger than 0, then streaming file is no more. Let's try it out. And it works. Okay. That was fairly simple. Maybe it's worth enabling it here, just in case. Let's see that it didn't break. Didn't break. Okay, so this should now be working. Okay, this I can't do yet. That's another time. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so now I have. Please upgrade, which I don't remember how it's called. I don't have screenshot. Maybe it was style. No. It's just a message. What else do I have? Okay. So that's not the right one. Okay. This does not show it. Where is my upgrade? Buy now. One. Okay, so this one should only show. Okay, so what's the title here? It opens it. There's a function. Okay, so what am I doing here? Okay. Here we go. Right. Oh. Yeah. So I should be using this. And thing here and same thing here. Okay, how do I trigger it? Okay, let's try to compile to the free version. And no, it doesn't work. It says please consider. So where is the please consider thing coming from? Okay, let's just take this. Fine, please consider. What is it? Come on. Okay, found it. Nag unit. Yay. Okay, so on the show, let's do nag form dot captions equals plus like this, and let's see. Didn't show the nag. Ah. Okay. Okay, maybe default settings. Bit. And nope. Okay, let's just, what's the trigger? Let's do in the debug version. Okay. Okay. Scan this. Okay, so like this. And okay. Yeah. Okay. So this doesn't look right. Okay. Yeah, this looks right. it looks better with a slash. Yeah, okay. So now, instead of the nug form, doing okay. Let's test it now. Let's test it. It is a free version. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look the best. Go back. And we'll do it like this. Okay, this. And let's copy it everywhere. So it's here and here. Let's see how it looks. I should probably remove the information. Okay. So it just becomes this. Now okay, so let's check that it looks okay. And it's basically okay. But let's add this character in font to look a little bit better. Okay, final test. Yep, looks good. Okay. Okay. Let's edit the beta. It's a small thing, small change. Okay. And let's get rid of this. Okay. Do we want to test this right now? Not so sure. I am not sure about this. maybe not today. Anything else? This one is interesting. Okay, so let's see if we can do image rotation based on the allocator presenter. I am not sure if this is the right one. Okay. I am going to pause for a second to do some research and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I am now letting ChatGPT translate the MPC video renderer, one of its functions, one of its interfaces, to Delphi. Okay, so now let's copy the code and the code should be the same one, same place where I placed this subtitle helper. Where is the definition for this? Where is, I think it's in the vars. Let's check it, yeah. Okay. So let's paste the code. And we don't need all of this. Okay. And now I need to try and get this interface. I think I need this for the class ID. So where do I put my class ID? It's here, I think. No? Yeah. So, basically is this. And this. Okay. So I have these. And now it's here. Okay, so we create the subtitle helper. Add it to the graph. And here we query the interface. Okay. So I am looking for the allocator presenter. Okay. Okay. Not okay. Probably don't need this. Let's keep it for now. And okay. Now, because we want to work clean, we are already writing. Not pretty. Okay. Maybe I'll just call it a lock presenter. Otherwise, it's a little bit long. Okay, so if I change this, it means I also have to change here. Okay, compiles? Of course not. Okay. And great. Now I am loading and freeing it, but not doing anything with it. So let's try checking the logs to see if I have it. Okay, so first thing, let's set up the work environment. So removing this test stream, and we are taking the Simtel video. Okay, close. Check. Oh, normal setting. Okay, let's check the settings that we are using. libVLC for this file format, it's an MKV. Okay, close, run, clear my logs, and play. And wait. I am confusing things. We don't want libVLC. This is the direct show function. My mistake. So once more, play the video, and let's see. So I am looking. Oh, yeah, this. No, it fails. It fails. Should I query instead the video render? Which one is the video render? Okay. Let's try this instead. Okay. And I am clearing my log, playing. No. Put down the same L. Okay, so I will have to try discussing this with the person who wrote the subtitle helper. Maybe he has some ideas. Okay, so for now I'll return this code. I'll actually comment all of this. And we'll have to try it another day. I just wanted to check one more thing. Okay, so this is the interface. Yeah, this is just the interface, not the actual filter. Okay, can we move this? So this is old. This is not working. Let's double check. No, not this code, not this code, not this code, this code. Let's select the right code for the interface, but it's not working. Just check what the L code is. This is the L code. Check what this code means. No interface. So either this value is wrong or I'm doing something else that's wrong. Okay, well, I guess we might know another time, but for now looks like we're done. I hope this has been informative. Have a good day.